Hey guys, good morning. Happy Friday the 13th. I am Grelia Steele with the Office of Emergency Management, and I have.
And I'm Paul Lupe with the Office of Emergency Management.
And we are super excited to be going live the second time in 2017, and we have a lot of information to share with you guys.
Awesome.
Okay, so this is our first time that we're actually hosting a conversational setting. So some of you guys probably saw our live Facebook video last week, and we did a mannequin challenge. So hopefully you remember us. I was part of the media, and Paul was part of the recovery phase.
Right. So we're super trendy here in OEM in Fairfax County, but generally speaking, what we do here in Fairfax County OEM is help the county government and the residents both prepare for, respond to, and then also recover from any major impacts from an event to the county.
So basically what that all means is, so for example, some inclement weather may be coming this weekend. So we're already planning behind the scenes. We're talking to our partners and seeing how much impact that will have in our county. So there's a lot of behind the scenes planning that we do. And also when it comes to special events, we do that sort of planning phase. You want to dive in to?
Yeah, so we're going to talk a little bit more about what we have in store for this year from OEM and some of the upcoming events that we're going to have. But before we do that, we want to encourage you guys to ask questions. You can post those at the bottom of the screen, and we'll try to answer those at the end of this broadcast. And please share the video. So push it out there to all of your friends so that everybody that you know can participate and see some of the information we're going to share and ask questions as well of us.
So yes, please share the video far and wide so that we can have our information out there for other people to see. So today what we're going to cover is what we have in store, as Paul said, in 2017. We developed a themed topic for every month. So for January, the topic is planning. And then we also talk about some of the exciting news that we have from our agency that's coming soon to social media.
Right. So as Grelia said, so the theme for this month is make a plan. And we talked a little bit about that already with some of the things we do, like in regards to the potential weather for this weekend and some other events that we'll have coming up. So we'll talk about that a little bit more.
So just to stay in theme, we encourage you, if you haven't already, to sign up for Fairfax Alert. It's the best way for you to learn about traffic, any potential weather that's coming to the area. So being informed is a type of plan. So that's part of your communications plan, and we want to encourage you to be informed by getting information directly from the source. So our office puts that information out there to our residents. So it's not coming from a third party. You're not getting information from other parts of the country or the state. This is all pertaining to your local community. We also encourage you to get out there. This Monday is Martin Luther King's Day of Service, and we want you to honor the memory of Dr. King Jr. by going out there and encouraging people to not only get involved but also to develop a plan in terms of how to get connected and informed during and before disaster. So learning about traffic and all of that. So definitely be a community leader and encourage people to sign up for this great resource. It's completely free, and that's the best way for people to be informed.
Yeah, definitely. And as we all know, I'm sure, inauguration day is just around the corner. So next Friday, and while schools are closed in Fairfax County and the government's closed that day, traffic, I'm sure, will be a nightmare. So be sure to, if you haven't already signed up for Fairfax Alerts as a free service, there are, traffic alerts is one of the things we offer through that service. to make sure that you're aware of what the commute might be or any significant events that are potentially taking place that would impact your commute if you're traveling around the county or in the area, in the region that day. But also, it's a great way to just make sure that you're in the alerting system for other potential events that come along throughout the year, like weather or other maybe large planned events that we have throughout the county throughout the year.
Right, and that's a really good point, that once you sign up for the system, you automatically get these messages, and you don't necessarily have to go in your account. We obviously encourage you that if you need to update your account for any reason, you are able to do that so you can continue to receive these messages. But it's easy to kind of, if you're heading out to work and there's a traffic jam and you get that alert, then you're able to plan your commute in more efficient, ahead of time, and it saves you money. So it's nice to be in the know and for that information to come to you rather than you
have to go find.
Right. So it's a great resource for you to be informed.
And we have another resource that we're gonna.
Yeah, so we're really excited because in the beginning of next month, we will be releasing our agency's Twitter account. It will be at Ready Fairfax, and we encourage people to follow us. We will be taking you behind the scenes of what our professionals do in our agency. So we have planners, exercise folks that host different events and trainings, and so we want to take that information to you. And so coming up in the beginning of the month, we will do that, and it's a great resource also for us to share preparedness tips and to release information of these themes that we have come up with in 2017. So definitely follow us.
Right, and follow us, and reach out to your friends and encourage them to do the same.
And so we look forward to sharing more information with you. So we will be doing these segments once a month. Next month, the theme is local hazards. So getting you thinking about, what are the potential hazards? Obviously, in the winter month or the winter season, it will be the storms. And just traffic,
Yeah,
right?
That's always one.
So we're definitely hoping that you will join us for the next segment and share this video so that our message can go way wide. So thank you so much for joining us. We look forward to answering your questions and to getting connected with you.
Yeah, thanks guys.